Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet cabbage patch stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the cabbage patch stitch. This is what it is going to look like. If you're working from the beginning making chains, you're going to want to make chains in the multiple 4 plus 3. You're going to skip your first 4 chains and work 4 double crochet into the 5th chain from your hook. Skip 3 chains, work 4 double crochet into the next one. Skip 3, work 4 double crochet, and you're going to repeat that till the end of your row. Once you have 2 chains left, work 1 double crochet into the last chain from your hook. The row that I'm currently working, I'm going to show you how to make that same row, but within your project. So I have already made 3 chains on my hook. You can see from my last row, it's going to be set up with like little V stitches. You're going to work 4 double crochet into those V stitches, just like you worked those 4 double crochet into those chains of your first row. So I'm going to go ahead and make 4 double crochet into this one. In the last stitch of your row over those previous chains of your last row, you're going to work 1 double crochet to match the chain 3 over here at the beginning of your row. That's what that row is looking like. You can see it matches the first row that you made with those double crochets. So for the second row, I have made 3 chains and I have turned my work. So we are looking at the back of those 4 double crochet shells that we had made. So what you're going to do is you're going to skip 3 chains. Sorry, you're going to skip 3 stitches. You're going to skip 1, 2, and 3. You're going to work a double crochet into the 4th one. So right here. You're going to make 2 chains, 1, 2. You're then going to make a double crochet into the stitch behind the one we just worked. So this one right here. And it is going to cross over this double crochet we had made. And now you can see that that's going to make that little V that we had worked into. You're going to do that same thing on the next 4 double crochet. You're going to skip 1, 2, 3. You're going to work a double crochet into this 4th one. Chain 2. Then you're going to work a double crochet into this stitch right behind the one we had just worked. So this one right here. Work a double crochet. And there's that V again. Skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, not that one. 1, 2, 3. Work into this 4th one right here. Make 2 chains. Then you're going to work a double crochet into the stitch right behind the one we just worked. Okay, skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. So it's always going to be work into the 3rd double crochet in that previous 4 cluster. So work into the 3rd one, make 2 chains, and you're going to make a double crochet into the second one, so the one right behind that third one. Again, you're going to skip 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to work into that fourth one, work a double crochet, chain 2, work a double crochet into the one right behind that one. Again, you're going to skip 3, 1, 2, and 3. You're going to work into this one right here, working 1 double crochet, chain 2, work a double crochet into the one right behind it. And you can see how they are crossed over those first double crochets that we had made. Then in the last stitch over the previous chain you had made, make 1 double crochet, and that's going to match the chain 3 that you made at the beginning of your row. So then you would alternate between these 2 rows for the Cabbage Patch stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.